Sending you an email to thank you was just not going to do it. So I wanted to send this quick personal video message to you and let you know that has saved not just my business, but it has changed my life. I've built a low seven-figure information-based company over the last 10 years or so. And listen, we've always been wildly successful. And as long as there was money coming in and we had the money to have freedom and do all the stuff that we wanted to do, that seemed to be good enough for me. I'm not a numbers person. I'm not a financials person. I hate looking at spreadsheets. I need pretty pictures and graphs and stuff, right? So as long as we had money, there was no big deal. But we just had, all of a sudden, there was just 1 month where we had high expenses in inventory. We had throw in an extra payroll period, throw in some other unexpected expenses that we had. And all of a sudden, we didn't realize it, but there was just this invisible wall there to us. And we hit it face first and really hard. And it threw our entire business into a tailspin. And I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how we got there. I didn't know what happened. We were trying to analyze it. Workshop that you did, it spelled it out for us. It showed us exactly where we went wrong. And listen, it showed, especially the cash forecasting that you did, that process that you developed for looking ahead and knowing what your numbers are going to be, not just knowing where your numbers are at now, but predicting where they're going to be and how to get there. Well, it boggles my mind to think about how much more money we would have in our bank right now if we had been doing the forecasting, looking at our numbers the way that you showed me how to do it. And the best part is you did it without, without any like bookkeeper speak or any sort of like complicated jargon or anything like that. Even somebody as stupid as me could actually understand it and put it into place right away. And the feeling that you get from it is like, now I'm in control of my finances. Now I can predict where my company is going to grow. Now I can predict how to grow my company by using the process that you showed me. So I can't thank you enough. The only thing I ask is that you put on the workshop again, because I want to send my employees to it. I've told all of my friends who are other entrepreneurs about it, and I know they're looking forward to it as well. So I really do hope that you put the workshop on again. It truly is business changing and life changing. And I thank you so much, man. So I appreciate it. Keep up the great work, and I'll talk to you soon.